So in today's episode, it's gonna be a little different. We're not gonna be doing any cooking. It's gonna be a very quick video, but I am gonna show you guys how to take a brand new wok and actually season it, put a non-stick coating on it, how to take care of it, after you're done using it. So in this video, guys, that's what we're gonna do. Stay tuned, guys. You do not wanna miss it. All right, guys, so let's talk about this wok. So I ordered it on Amazon. It was only like 36 bucks. It's actually recommended from some of the chefs on YouTube. But this is the wok. So it's made by Helen Chen. So it's Helen's Asian Kitchen. It's a pretty cool little wok. It's carbon steel, heavy duty. It's a 13.5-inch wok. Also comes with a little lid and also like a little stir spatula. I don't plan on using that, but this is the wok. As you can see, it's brand new, so pretty cool. Bottom like that. And the nice thing is it's got a flat bottom, okay, for cooking on the actual stove. So I'm gonna show you guys how to actually take this wok, clean it up, make it like a non-stick surface. That way, when you guys do your stir fries, it comes out perfect every time. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on. So you want to go at like a medium-high heat. So this is going pretty nicely until it's smoking. I'm just glad I did this outside, guys, because this smells so bad. You want to repeat these steps as necessary. We really want to remove all this coating. So all that looks good, and then all this stuff up here. So we're going to rotate the pan. Yeah, this is looking pretty good, guys. So have you guys ever done this before to your woks? In the comment section, why don't you guys go ahead and let me know what you guys like to do. Yeah, this wok is nice. I mean, even the handle right here, I can do this. It doesn't even hurt. So, oh, it stinks so bad. Pretty awesome. Looks nice. Yeah, I cannot wait to cook on this thing. You want to go ahead and actually rinse it, cool it off. So what I like to use is a little bit of Barkeeper's Friend. This stuff works really good. It's slightly abrasive, and yeah, this will do a good job. Clean the wok. All right, that's it. Rinse that off. All right, so that's done. As you can see, little scratch marks where it's penetrating. So that's what we want. That means we've removed the coating off. We're gonna go medium-high heat. Rotate it around. Let it smoke a little bit, keep it going. Want this thing non-stick. Then we're gonna buff it off with a new one. And we're gonna let it cool. All right, same thing. Now that it's actually cooled down, we're gonna start the process again. We're gonna get our nice oil. Let it smoke for a little bit. Again, we're just making that non-stick surface, you guys. And we buff it off. Once you guys do this, you guys are gonna love having a wok. I'm gonna put about another teaspoon of oil in there. That might have been too much, but that's okay. While that's heating up, I want you guys to go ahead and check this out. So this is Firestone Brewing Company, and it has hints of peach. It's a Luponic Distortion IPA. This thing is amazing, you guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and wipe it in to the pan. Nice. Love that. Can't wait to use this pan, you guys, because this is awesome. It's gonna be all non-stick. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right, we're done. Pan is ready to go, guys.